Hello my super fans, how are you doing? Welcome back to Super Kitchen. Today I will be making some stuffed roast fish in my oven, Jamaican style with the callalo in the belly and all these things. Don't forget to check out the riddles and leave your answer in the comment section and let's get cooking. Let's prepare some seasoning for our fish. I have some tomato, onion, sweet pepper, garlic, hot pepper, and some thyme here. I am going to add this to a small magic bullet that I have and blend it out fine so we can have a nice marinade for the fish. Vegetable oil from Super Products, I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon. Then we're going to blend this until it becomes a nice thick paste so we can coat our fish and let it marinate into this lovely seasoning. Transfer your blended seasoning to a bowl, then add some black pepper, Maggi fish seasoning, and some jerk seasoning. Then we are going to mix to combine everything. Let's give this a taste. This tastes really nice, but let's put some more salt in it. Wow, this is good. You know guys, it tastes so good. It's almost like you could get some crackers and just start eating it. Just dip your crackers in it and just eat it. This is going to be a good season up for the fish. I have 3 fish here, wash and clean and put some slices in it. So I am going to season them up now. 2 fun facts about Shoppers Club JA. You can earn your grocery money by becoming a member of this club, and you can also get a credit account with them. If you ever run short, you can get credit. So just click the link in the description and follow the steps to sign up. Finish seasoning your fish and rest it in the fridge. Let it marinate while we prepare our callalo. The answer to our last riddle, why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. Yes, 7 was not subscribed to the Superb Kitchen. He got hungry and ate 9. Make sure you are subscribed. Just click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Guys, the secret to buying the best okra, if it now pop like this, don't buy it. Because when you okra them all, it's stringy and it just not nice. Now guys, this is everything I'm going to put in my Calaloo. This board is pretty, isn't it? Add 2 tablespoons of oil to your pot. Then we are going to put in everything except the calaloo and saute it for about, say, 2 minutes. Add your calaloo to the pot, then cover it and let it steam for about 5 minutes. Then we are going to add some black pepper and some all-purpose seasoning. Then we are going to just mix this up and cover it again for maybe another 5 to 7 minutes. Don't overcook it, because remember, the fish is going to further cook within the fish. Now that we are finished with the calaloo, it's time to stuff the fish. Roll out a nice piece of file paper, enough to wrap your fish 2 or 3 times. Then we are going to fill the fish with calaloo. Put calaloo inside of the head and enough inside of the belly. Put as much as it can hold. I'm adding some more okra and carrots. Remember the blended seasoning that I did for the fish? I pre-cooked some Irish. Don't cook it too much, just for a few minutes, because it's going to be cooked again with the fish. So we are going to mix it in the seasoning and then put it in the file paper along with the fish. Guys, the first time I heard this riddle, I laughed so hard. Fire top, fire bottom, and hallelujah in the middle. What is it? I'm using Excelsior water crackers, the cinnamon flavored one, because I find the cinnamon flavor to be so much tastier than the regular water crackers. Maybe you never have this before, but just give it a try. I'm now adding some salted butter. Then I am going to wrap my fish. Pay close attention to this step, guys. You don't want to wrap your fish and then everything leak out. So this is very important. This is the second piece of foil I am wrapping my fish in. So you need to wrap it the first time, then you put it in a second piece of foil and do it just like this. Two down, one to go. Now we are going to preheat our oven at 350 degrees and cook this for 1 hour. After an hour, you are going to enjoy the most delicious roast fish ever. So guys, 1 hour has passed and it's now time to unwrap this beauty.
Oh yes, this smells so good. And guys, these crackers, they are delicious, but they will look a little bit darker than normal because remember, we are using the cinnamon flavored ones.